I said I'd do a video on what wise mind is. It's a skill taught in DBT, or dialectical behavioral therapy classes. Marsha Linehan discovered that emotions are the same worldwide throughout all cultures. Therefore, they can also be treated in a similar way. And her class, DBT class, teaches these hacks to master your mind and body. I recommend this to everyone. Wise mind. You see, I crossed off reasonable mind because I felt the word rational mind fit better. Pretty much the same thing though. So we've got rational mind, emotion mind, and wise mind. This is a way of snapping you or someone out of black and white thinking, which can feel like a trap sometimes. So wise mind is the light at the end of the tunnel, welcoming you. How you know you're in reasonable or rational mind is you feel cool, rational, task-focused. You find yourself only focused on facts, reason, logic, and pragmatics. Values, morals, ethics, and compassion and feelings are not important when you're in this mindset. You may see the danger now being in this state of mind for too long. Imagine the World Banker's way of looking at us. To them, the fact is, war makes money for them. So they stage something to start a war, cause fear, cause panic. Then they fund both sides of the war, because to them, it is rational to use others, us, as pawns to fill their pockets and get away with it. They do get away with it, so why not just keep that pattern going? It seems to be working for them. But you can see they certainly aren't in touch with wise mind or having any emotions tied to such a dark, selfish decision. Their mindset and their actions are the worst you can possibly get if you are stuck in this mindset. Emotion mind. You'll know you're in emotion mind if your body is feeling hot, you're feeling moody, emotions are influencing your actions, or you're seeking pleasurable things at all times, not considering how it will eventually lead your brain to become soaked in dopamine, thus bringing about depression and other illnesses. When in emotion mind, you are ruled by moods, feelings, and urges to do or to say things. You find in this state of mind that facts, reason, logic are not important. And I'm sure you can imagine why being in this mindset always isn't good either. You see this mindset in a lot of children, how they say or simply just do something because of how they feel. They don't think it through. Back to wise mind. Wise mind is the wisdom within each person. We all have insight and that ability to choose connection to the divine, which you achieve by being in wise mind enough. In wise mind, you validate both rational mind and emotional mind. You see the value in bringing both states of mind together to make a decision. The most intelligent people make decisions in this mindset. Think Nikola Tesla. He invented something he could have made billions and billions of money off of, but he didn't need to live that way. He was considerate. Nikola Tesla wanted the most efficient way of mastering energy or electricity to help run the world. However, situations took place sabotaging him, but I'm not going to get into that. So, anywho, wise mind practice. Marsha Linehan gives 8 ideas or 8 practices that you can start doing. These consist of lots of different visualizations, lots of breathing techniques, and refocusing on your breath and refocusing on how you're feeling, intention setting, and breath retention. I'll go more in depth in another video since it would make this video way too long if I combined them. However, a fast and efficient way to bring yourself into wise mind that I will share, that I use every day throughout my day, is stretching your vagus nerve out. Make your body into a C shape. Forgive my happy little accident. in my crude drawing of a person stretching. As you can see, you want raised arms and to tilt to either side, doesn't matter. Turn your head away from the floor and look to the ceiling. This stretches the vagus nerve that goes from behind your ear, down your spine, into the tailbone. Massaging and stretching this will slow your heart rate, and I would not recommend this if you have epilepsy or something like that. So this stretch or massage will relax your body and take you out of fight or flight mode or out of beta brainwave state. You can also achieve this by rubbing along your hairline, behind your ear, to the back of the head. And you might ask, how long do you stretch for? Well, maybe 20, 30 seconds or longer. No longer than a minute is my suggestion. You can stretch both sides of your body. At least I'd recommend that if you've got the time to. Stretching is very good for our physical body. Anywho, thank you so much for staying curious. Thank you for listening and watching.